inside number 9. Okay, so here we are. We've come down to Southampton to take Alice and Ruben to Peppa Pig World. So we're here for 2 nights. We've got this nice little apartment for us, me and Steph and Alice and Adele, Vincent and Ruben. So let's see what we get up to. It's so exciting, isn't it? Stay tuned, see what we get up to. Okay, so this is called Spireview Apartments. It's literally just off the docks on the front, so not far from the main docks in Southampton. So nice and handy for all the amenities, etc. So let's do a quick apartment tour if you're interested in staying here. Spireview. There's a load of apartments. This is number 9. Okay. Bathroom. Shower. Bedroom 1. Cot for Alice. Nice big double bed. Oh, heat. Nice picture there of London skyline. Living room. Telly, fridge. Microwave, hob, oven. Oh, looks absolutely spotlessly clean. We've left some tea and some tea. Coffee. Sugar, kettle, toaster, coffee machine, knives. Table. Seating area to watch the telly. And the second bedroom. And the sea view. So there you go, nice little tour of the apartment. Stephanie's out there in the car with Alice because it's taken us over 5 hours to get down here from Oldham to Southampton today. Load of roadworks, and Alice has not shut up all the way here, not stopped talking and singing and carrying on, which is great, but you just want to have a sleep sometimes, you know, when you're driving. And she's just fell asleep with 10 minutes to get here. Hey ho. Right, I'll go and get the bags in. I'm filming, yeah?
Oh.
Okay, we've come to Westquay shopping centre for our food, for our tea. We've come to Pizza Hut. So I've ordered a little flatbread.
Ooh.
And Steph and Alice are sharing a pizza. Exciting.
We're not.
You
She's
are.
having a kids one. Fire alarm going off just as we're eating our dinner. Oh heck. You eat your dinner. Like and subscribe. I love you in the morning.
Do you feel this vibrating? You a statue?
Yeah.